Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 5. This is Section 3.4, Problem 5. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 44.62 times 8.2. So to do this by hand, what I want to do is first start off by multiplying this in a vertical format. So I'll write 44.62, and underneath I'll write 8.2. Now, to do the problem, at first just multiply as if there are no decimals at all. Multiply 4,462 times 82. Just ignore the decimals. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus the 1 more that you carried is 9. And then 2 times 4 is 8. Now you go down to the next level. You want to move over one position to the left. You can either leave it blank or fill in a 0 to hold your place. And now multiply the 8 through the top. So 8 times 2 is 16. For 16, write 6, carry the 1. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus the 1 more that you carried is 49. Write the 9, carry the 1. There's already 1 there. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 1 more that you carried is 33. Write the 3, carry another 3. And now 8 times 4 is 32 again, but this time 32 plus 3 that you carried, 32 plus 3 is 35. And add. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. 9 plus 9 is 18, so write the 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 plus 3, so 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 more is 12, write the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then nothing plus 3 is 3. So I get an answer of 362,884. That would be if I didn't have decimals. But now I have to put the decimal into the answer. So go back to the question and see how many digits there were after the decimal in the question. If I count it up, there are 3 digits after the decimal altogether. So now go to my answer, and if I want to have 3 digits after the decimal, I'll put that decimal point between the 2 and the first 8 in the answer, and my answer is 362.884.